My name is Captain Bos, captain of the Oosterschelde. Welcome to Amsterdam. The Oosterschelde is built in 1917 in the Netherlands. The ship is originally built as a sailing cargo ship 35 years ago. The ship is fully restored into its original glory. The ship is 50 meters long and our masts are 34 meters high. Come on board and I will show you around. Let's go. Welcome on board. The ship is named after an estuary where the river Schelde goes into the North Sea, the Oosterschelde. The first thing you notice when you step on board is a lot of ropes. All our sails are big and heavy. It takes about 6 persons to hoist a sail. Everywhere on the ship you will see these blocks. You cannot just buy them in a shop somewhere. They're all custom made for this ship. We have a crew of 7, a captain, a first mate, 4 deckhands and a cook. On longer voyages we take 24 guests with us. You're not just a guest on board, you're part of the crew. You are really involved in sailing the ship. Sailing with these kind of ships on the open ocean is a great feeling. Being pushed forward by the wind, no sound of engines. Especially here on the bow, it's a great spot to also go into the jib boom net. And if you're very lucky, you might even see some dolphins swimming in front of the ship. It's a thrill for me as a captain to see people experiencing their first trip on board ships like this. All the woodwork you see here is in the style of 1917 and this style continues down below. Welcome to the salon. The salon is our main living area. In this area we can have our meals all together, or during the voyages we can sit here and have a good time. The interior is designed with the dark colored wood, the green leather sofas, brass railings. In this corner here we have a bar, we have a big dining table, we have our library. Behind the bar here there's the galley and we have a professional cook cooking all the meals for everybody on board. When you're at sea there's always one good moment and that is when you hear the bell. And that's how you know that it is time to eat. This wooden pole here in the middle, this is one of our 3 masts. The masts, they are not just standing on the deck, but the masts, they go through the deck, through the floor, and they're standing on the keel of the ship. This is a very special picture, because this is the first time the ship sailing after the restoration in 1992. It's important to maintain and restore these sailing ships, because they connect us with our past. And the best way to maintain sailing ships is to use them and to sail with them. Here's an example of one of our guest cabins. It's small, it's simple, but very comfortable. There's 2 full-size bunk beds, very cozy. Follow me to the bridge where we navigate and steer the ship. This steering wheel is still in use. The front is over there. So usually when we steer the ship, we are standing to the side and we hold on to the wheel like this. I can see my sails, I can feel the wind, I can look forward. That's the way to do it. This is the magnetic compass. It's still mandatory for every ship to have a magnetic compass, but this compass is still in use. This is the engine controls. Like this I put the engine in forward. Like this it's in neutral and in reverse. Now let me show you the wheelhouse. In the wheelhouse we have nowadays all the modern navigation equipment. But in the old days, this used to be the toilet. We have an electronic chart. But we also still use the paper charts. Paper charts are reliable, they don't need power, they just work. That was the tour of the Oosterschelde, one of the most beautiful sailing ships in the world. I hope to see you one day on board, and otherwise I'll see you in New York.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.